Hey creative minds, ready to unleash your artistic potential? I have got some game-changing insights from the book Austin Kleon's Still Like an Artist. Stay tuned for quick tips to revolutionize your creative potential. Number 1, creativity isn't about the reinventing the wheel. Embrace your influence, borrow ideas and transform them into your unique masterpiece. Remember, every artist is a blend of their inspiration. Number 2, collaboration fuels creativity. Build your creative family, a network like-minded souls who uplift, challenge and inspire you. Together, you will achieve creative greatness. Number 3, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Embrace perfection and let your creativity evolve over time. Small steps lead to a big masterpiece. Number 4, constant sparks innovation. Don't see limitations as obstacles. View them as opportunities. Your best ideas often come from working within boundaries. Get ready for break free. Number 5, your art deserves the spotlight. Share your work with the world. The internet is your canvas. Connect, get feedback and grow. Let's make your creativity shine. Transform your creative process with these Still Like an Artist tips. Hit the like button and share your thoughts. Let's create the magic together.